So 10 1 upon 2 divided by 5 1 upon 2, right? So let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So here we have a mixed fraction 10 1 upon 2. So let's convert into a proper fraction. So 10 times 2 is equal to 20. 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. So 21 divided by 2 and divided by 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11 divided by 2. Now, according to KCF rule, K means keep this first fraction 21 by 2 as it is same. Then C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this second fraction 11 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 11, right? Now cancel this 2 by 2. So the final answer is 21 upon 11, right? So 21 upon 11 is the correct answer. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer.